The National Council for Administration of Justice, NCAJ, met at the Supreme Court to deliberate on implications of the announcement made by the Ministry of Health, as 3 cases have now already been confirmed in the country. Recognizing the critical need to protect members of the public and staff from infections and prevent any spread of the disease, the National Council for Administration of Justice yesterday made several arguments which I shall take you through. So some of these agreements agreed upon were: 1, in compliance with the directive issued by the National Emergency Response Committee, the Council scaled down court activities for a period of 2 weeks, that is 14 days, throughout the country from 16th March to allow for further consultations and the design of appropriate measures to prevent the spread of the virus. 2, it is during this period of 2 weeks that the prisoners and remandees will not be taken to court. 3, with regard to new arrests or cases, except serious ones, will be dealt with at the police stations, and this is in accordance to the guidelines that will be issued by the Inspector General. 4, missions of all civil cases in all courts were suspended, and also all execution proceedings suspended as well. The courts were asked to continue handling the certificates of emergence and also take plea in criminal cases, for which the judicial staff is to continue with going on to their offices, though there will be no open court appearance. Now, the magistrate courts are to review bail courts for those in remand, and also all conferences, workshops, and training programs have been suspended till further notice. And finally, there will be no foreign travel of staffs of the justice sector institutions for the next 30 days, except in very, very exceptional circumstances. So these were the 9 agreements made by the Council, among 2 other agreements also outlined.
Administrative and contingency management plan to mitigate COVID-19 in Kenya's justice sector. That is the title of the statement. The National Council for Administration of Justice has met this morning and part of this afternoon at the Supreme Court of Kenya to deliberate on the implications of the announcement by the Ministry of Health that the first case of COVID-19 coronavirus has been confirmed in the country. Recognizing the mandate of the National Council on Administration of Justice and seized of the challenges posed by the pandemic and the experience of other countries around the world, recognizing the critical need to protect members of the public and the staff from infection and to prevent any spread of the disease, we have today agreed as follows. Number 1, in compliance with the directive issued by the National Emergency and Response Committee, we shall forthwith scale down court activities throughout the country for a period of 2 weeks, starting tomorrow, the 16th of March, in order to allow for further consultations and design appropriate measures to prevent the spread.